So I recently started using DaVinci Resolve for editing my wedding films, and I really like the multicam functionality within it. And I'm going to show you how I use the multicam edit features within DaVinci Resolve. So right here in the media page, I've got some clips for a wedding ceremony, and you can see here I've got 4 different camera angles. A is an angle, B, C, D, and then I've got 3 different audio tracks. Now the key to setting this up is we need to input the metadata for the camera angles, and to do that, it's over here in the metadata tab. And I'm going to first just select these clips with A and scroll down here to camera number right here, and I'm just going to put 1, and then select B. It's going to be camera 2. These 2 with C is going to be camera 3, and D here is camera 4. And then for the audio, the officiant is going to be 5, the groom 6, and the readings are going to be camera angle 7. All right, so now that we've assigned the camera angles within the metadata, we can now create the multicam sequence. So we're going to select all the clips within this bin, right click and say create new multicam clip using selected clips. And let's go ahead and rename this ceremony multicam, and then make sure your angle sync is set to sound. Angle name should be metadata camera. Those are the numbers that we just inputted within the metadata field. And then make sure this is checked, detect clips from the same camera. Again, metadata camera number. And because I've already got these organized in a bin, I'm going to leave this unchecked. So hit create, and because these are pretty long clips, it's going to easily be able to sync up all those different clips using the audio. If you had a lot of shorter clips, Resolve may not be able to sync everything up, but in this case, all these clips were able to sync up. And here, let's take a look. So if we right click this multicam clip, we'll say open in timeline, and as you can see, it has created a sequence here with 4 different camera angles, and it's got the 7 different audio tracks. So first thing is I'm going to just option select these audio tracks on the camera angles and get rid of those. And let's move up these audio tracks here. We're going to hold shift to keep these from moving left or right. And then let's just get rid of the end here. And let's go back to the beginning, and let's just trim. Oh, missed a spot there. And we can see our audio waveforms. All right, so we've set up the multicam clip. Next thing is we're going to go back here to the media pool, and let's create a new timeline. Call this ceremony edit, and we're going to drop the multicam clip here within this timeline. And now you can see, well, we got to set it up. Make sure on the left here you set multicam. If you're not seeing the 2 windows right here, just make sure you've got that set. And if for some reason you've got, inspector open, you're not going to see that. So close that, and you'll see your 2 windows. Let's get rid of the media pool here to give us some more room. And now as we scrub through, you can see we have our multicam clips ready to go. Again, make sure you've got this set to multicam. And if you're not seeing your 4 different camera angles, or if you've got more or less, you can change the number of cameras that you're seeing. All right, so the next thing is I'm going to show you how you can cut between the different camera angles, and there's a couple ways to do that. So just make sure that this is selected. You don't want it to be cut between your video and audio tracks. So if you select this, it's going to cut just between the video tracks. So as we play, you can click in the viewer here, and it's going to make cuts between the different camera angles. So another way, of course, is you can use your keyboard shortcuts. And if you just double check keyboard customization, search angle, you can see what those are. I've got mine set here to Control 1, Control 2, and so on. And then also there's multicam switch, which I've set to option 1, option 2, and so on. So let's just say I've got an angle here I want to change. I just hit option 2, option 3, and I can change that camera angle. And again, just play through.
Olivia said that she chose that song.
And, you know, make your cuts. And, you know, if you don't like the angle, just switch it. You can also move your in and out points. And that's the basics of how I do a multicam edit within DaVinci Resolve. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.